Ryan's putting his laundry into the dryer.
Yeah, go away.
He doesn't like to be recorded. And I have this mountain load of dishes to load into the dishwasher. And then I'm going to get some lunch. Ryan is making a sandwich with some deli meat and cheese for lunch. Alright, for lunch today I made a salad. I have a little bit of salsa. Last night when we went to Walmart, we grabbed these new on the border tortilla strips. These are pretty good, but I gotta say, the cafe style is still my favorite. So I'm gonna finish up lunch here and then I have some laundry to do. Well, we have to go to the bank. It's 2:45. We're waiting on this train. And hopefully we'll make it to his violin lesson on time. Sometimes these trains are long and sometimes they're short. This one's pretty long. But at least we're first in line. Get to the bank. Hopefully there's not a long wait. And zip on over to the music studio. So, whenever you go into the bank, even if you're not a kid, you need to get yourself a sucker. So I picked out strawberry. Got 30 minutes, so we made good time. The train went by really quick, and there was no line at the bank. A miracle. Ryan made his own pizza, and so did I. Super good. Alright, I got 2 boxes of these dog biscuits at the dollar store. I got a peanut butter flavor and a variety pack, and this is what I put them in. So I'll put them in there and mix them all up together. Yummy doggy treats. And then I found these Happy Harvest cutouts, and they've got a leaf, a smaller leaf, and another smaller leaf. So there's 2 of these, 5 of those, and 11 of those. And I was thinking I would put them up here on this door. So I thought that that would look really, really nice. And I could even come up with some other ways of displaying them besides on the door. I will have to think about that. Then I got my calendar for 2017. Found these napkins that are Thanksgiving looking. Ryan picked out this 3-pack of Pop Rocks, and it's the pumpkin patch orange. So we're probably going to try these tomorrow. And then I needed a charger for my car, so we picked out this blue one. This is from the dollar store, so if it doesn't work, I'm going to take it back and we'll go to Walmart and get one. But it's worth a try for $1 to see how well it works. At Kroger, Ryan needed some more of his maple sausage, string cheese, vanilla Yoplait yogurt, rinse aid for the dishwasher, 2 boxes of facial tissue since I went through so much the past few days with my allergies, Halloween Oreos. These are so good. Bread for Ryan. 2 Lunchables. And yeah, I'll give the Oreos to Ryan. I'm trying to watch what I'm eating, but it's a good snack. Then Ryan picked out the Wheat Thins Ranch flavor, and I'm going to try those as well. It seems really tasty. And then Ryan got 2 packages of the Hot Pockets. You guys, I almost forgot to take out the roast for tomorrow night's dinner. Put it in the fridge so it can defrost overnight. It's gonna be a yummy crock pot meal. Okay, you guys, it is 7 o'clock. I am going to end the vlog for today. Steve should be home in an hour or so. He's at a work function, and he's also having buffet pizza as well. We had a really good dinner, Ryan and I, at Pie 5 Pizza. Kind of reminds you of Subway. You go down the line and you tell them what kind of crust you want and what toppings that you want, and then they stick it in their oven. 5 minutes later, you got nice, yummy pizza. So, yeah, not much else is going to happen tonight. That's why I'm ending the vlog now. Just going to relax on the couch and watch some TV. Make a couple of drinks. So, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss out on anything. You never know what's going to happen. I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all your support. And leave any comments or questions below that you'd like to leave. And I hope you all have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.